You guys excited for the mall? Yeah. Oh, hey Josie. Hey, what you guys doing? We're going to the mall. You want to come? I would, but I don't have any money. Yeah, you've been broke ever since we met you. Yeah, I really do need some money. Hey, I bet you could get $20 to mow someone's lawn. Yeah, I could use that old mower in the garage. Bye guys, see you at the mall. Oh, where is it? There we go. It's no use. I'll never get those $20. Yo-ho! Are you the girl who mows lawns? Yeah. Why don't you mow mine then? Okay. It's just over this way. Sure. Here we are. You expect me to mow that? You said you like mowing lawns, didn't you? Finished. Where's my $20? Girl? Let me check. Girl, I think you forgot to turn on the mower. What?